So I went out for a ride, pushing the petrol, came home, it's heat out there. Ah, so don't feel bad, Baba. Anyone who, what do you call it, who feels bad that when I speak about the prostitution, I have to, look, my job was to uncover everything, and I have to give baits, no matter what they do, nude making. So that was a bait. So prostitution, which uses hidden bugs, is connected to the sextortion. Sextortion is connected to the bank fraud till theft. I think this is bad. So people over here should not get feel bad, hmm? Because those are the Chembur West guys. And as I said, everyone are exposing their prostitution now. Everyone are going in their prostitution racket. Everyone. Where it runs, Andheri and Bandra, everyone are going there to get their nudes done, because files have gone viral, and without the permission, without my clearance, whoever uses it, they are going to. A lot of nasty stuff is going to happen. So, and fake bank account has all those connections where all the money went. So, look, it's not me, it's not my, what do you call it, it's not my burden to bear. It's not my headache. It's fucking their headache. Now, this sailor only has to sail his boat at the every port. And stop his ship at every port. Where all their rackets are. Fake forensic department, bank fraud, forgery department, what do you call it? Government app compromised. So they have a control over the government app as well. What do you call it? Black market of clone phones, prostitution, till hidden black market, tech black market, and what do you call it? GPS spoof market, and online payment fraud, till this बैंक में वो कवर हो गया एक्चुअली, फिर भी ऑनलाइन पेमेंट फ्रॉड. सो these are there are more stuff. Murder attempt भी आ गया, but it's not proven yet that they smashed my face. Everyone wanna say it's an accident. Then trespass. They have a set of trespasses. Clone keys. So defamation is their thing. They like to defame. So the best thing is, look, those are the robbers and stealers. They stole animated papers. Huh? What do they know about animation? What treatment are used on those papers? Do they know anything? Huh? Some garbage who has nothing to do in his life. He just took the money, gave the money, and he calls himself the owner of those papers and those stolen drives and those files. Chutiya Sala. And he thinks he can do whatever he wants with those files. I am giving the copyright to the every race. Deal with that shit. No clearance, your ass is fucked. And it holds the date as well of court. It will hold the date of court. After that, the clearance will be passed. Before that, what papers are they having? Hmm? So before that, whoever sold the files and whatever they did is their mess. It's not mine. I'll do the right thing to stop the riots, to stop the race fights. So there should be no race fights. And the one who sells data and what do you call it, clone phone and all this stuff, deal with all those crimes and let their artists also deal with it. The people who I give clearance, their artists will be, what do you call it, welcomed in every state, every region. Yeah. Go fuck yourself. I waited. This is the third year running. What do you call it? Back to back. Wasting my time. This bastards. उनकी औकात है क्या? उनकी माँ की चूत. ऐसे भी लिखा था क्या उन्होंने? उनकी माँ का भोसड़ा. मेरे लाइफ के बारे में लिख रहे थे. माँ की चूत इनकी. So, बैंक फ्रॉड सारे चोर लवड़ेंगे. हैव टू look, there is a limit. You know what? In the morning when I saw the GPS spoof happening, मैं समझ गया इनके गांड में सेक्स वीडियो घूम गया है फिर से. समझा? So I have to speak this way then. समझे क्या? So where the sex videos were made at their own prostitution racket. समझा? Their own prostitution racket. It's their own. Because the payment which was done from the online payment thing, from the clone phone. समझा? From the fake bank account. Who did that? Their own prostitution racket. Some bastard wanna steal my stuff and call himself a movie maker, a filmmaker. Jhatu sala, chor. So I'm doing the right thing, that there should be no race fight. The one who sold it before and done all that crap is their own fucking mess. समझे क्या? See the mess in future. What all crimes you are going to. समझे? जो जिसने whoever sold the data and did that stuff, गांड मारेगी सब. Entire every region में गांड मारेंगे. समझे? जितने भी region के सब. You were creating race riots. समझे? And more than that, what do you call it, the fraud and criminal prostitution, everything will be exposed. और तुम्हारा एक्सपोज करने के लिए जिसके पास फाइल्स है वो बॉम्बे में ऑलरेडी जा रहे वहाँ पे. समझे? एट द योर प्रोस्टिट्यूशन रैकेट. ज़बरदस्ती का वहाँ पे वीडियो बना के आ रहे ताकि सब बोलेंगे उनको भी ब्लैकमेल किए. समझे? जिनके पास फाइल है. तो जिसने चालू किया उसको बचाओ और तुम्हारी माँ की चूत. सो द फैमिली कंट्रोलर बचाओ उसको और द लाइव एक्ट वो सब. बारह के भाव में तुम्हारे आर्टिस्ट भी जाएंगे और तुम भी जाएंगे. मैं जिसको क्लियरेंस देगा वो सेफ साइड रहेंगे और दे विल गेट द पब्लिक सपोर्ट टिल एवरीथिंग. एनिमेटेड पेपर चुरा या ड्राइव चुरा, तो चोर है, यही तेरी औकात है. समझे?